Hi everyone, my name's Electric Monkey, and welcome back to another little GameMaker short type thing. And if you remember, we are just going through little bits even of the Sandbox game. That's it. Losing my words today. And just picking them out and showing you guys how to make them, or how I made them, probably is better wording, because I don't want you to just copy this like word for word, because that wouldn't be your own game then, would it? So I think we're gonna have a look at the food system today. Yeah. Again, if you want to see anything in particular, just comment below and I'll check it out, because I am just making this up on the spot. I haven't prepared for this at all. I've also decided that I'm not going to show you the enemies because they are really, really derpy. As you can see, like, it's just spawned in the rubble. So I can kind of mine him out and save him. I'll just do it really quickly, and then I promise I'll get onto. Actually, let's do weight. Weight's more fun. Yeah, because weight's it's kind of dynamic, it changes, whereas the food's kind of boring at the moment, it doesn't do anything. So it's just, yeah, so you can see it kind of chases us once you dig it out, which isn't a great enemy really. It's going really laggy as well, guys. That's not my game in any way, that's just the recording software lags it up a lot, because I just use OBS, and it's let's leave that. Basically, OBS isn't really that good for making doing gaming videos. So just for GameMaker works fine. But anyway, I'm blabbering on. You want to see the objects, so let's go and have a look at. Also, I've changed some of the sprites since last time. Let's have a look at, what was it? Wait, that was it. So this is all it is, really. It's just a object, and it's got a few events. But actually, first I'll just show you something. I'll show you the sprite, because that kind of links into it quite a lot. So basically, if I open this up, what we've got here is 27 different sub-images, and I tell you, this took me a very long time to do. Only kidding, it didn't take me long at all. But basically, if I click show preview, you can see it going down. So that was the idea of it. So basically, you got the zero, the sprite 0 is just a boring old filled in one, and then basically slowly I've taken away a kind of layer of it. And I think that just would jump 2 then. Yeah, so maybe there should be an extra one in there anyway, but basically what it does is it just is a load of sub-images to show it going down. So if I then show you the code, now this should make more sense, because in the create event I believe we just set it to 0, yeah, so it doesn't just go flashing all over the place. The draw event, yeah, there's nothing in there either. So really all it is just in this draw GUI event, and it's actually really, really, really simple. And this took me, I can't remember, I seem to remember it took me quite a while though to make this, these 3 lines of code, just because they're quite, well, they're not too complicated, but they are a little bit complicated to think through. So basically all we're saying is if the game's not paused, and the weight isn't 0, because I remember it had a really weird glitch where if the weight was 0, it couldn't do it, and it started drawing weird objects and sprites, and it all just got really, really, really odd. And I just thought, you know what, I'll just chuck that in there. So that just stops it from glitching out. And this is just saying if we're not already crafting. So here's where we draw it. So this is basically just drawing the sprite, and we're just drawing our sprite weight. And now this is where all the maths comes in, and it is just like two words pretty much, or 2 symbols or whatever. And this calculates the sub image. So what we've got is we've got our max weight. So in this case, our max weight is 27 because that's how many, or 28 even, because that's how many sub images we've got. So what we do is we take that 28 number and we minus the weight that we're currently on. So say we were on, I know, say we have 3. Okay? Yeah. So say we've got 3 items and they all weigh 1 each. So what we're doing is we're just saying, well, we're minusing 3 from that 28, so we get 25. So what we do is we go in. Actually, I think it's the other way round. Actually, I think our weight is the amount we've got left. Actually, let's just go check that out. It's been a while since I've done it, so I can't quite remember, but I think it's in the inventory. We did it. Maybe in this bit. No. Just trying to think where it could be. The player, maybe. Or is it maybe it's in the level? Maybe. I really can't remember. Oh, maybe it's a script we did. Inventory scripts. No. I'm pretty sure it's in the inventory somewhere, so let me just check some of these. Check. Nope. Don't think anyway. I really just want to see how I did this. Can't actually remember. It's not in there either. Draw GUI. We obviously did it somewhere, otherwise it wouldn't work. So I still think it's in here somewhere, but it's not. Maybe we put it somewhere stupid, like in the health, or I don't know, something really odd like that. No. Well, this is a mystery. How I did that. I think what I did is I've put it somewhere and then forgotten where I've put it. Unless I did it in the... No, I didn't do it in the slots, I don't think. Might show you them next time, actually. Yes, by the looks of it, I can't find that. But let's just go back and just clear this up really quickly, what it means and everything. So, all we're saying is if... so we're drawing that, and then we're saying otherwise if the global weight equals 0 and it's not paused or anything, then we draw a sprite 26. So 26 is our empty sprite. Actually, I think that's meant to be 27. No, 26. So that's our completely empty. We've got no items left. So I believe, yeah, the weight is how much we have left. So if we've got 0, we've got no space left. So then if this is 27, then what we're saying is we're doing 27 minus however many we've got left, I think. So if we've got 1 space left, then we minus 1, that gives us 25. So that's 1 really close to empty. Yeah, that's right. And if we've got like 25 left, then we've only got the second sprite, or number 1 in the sprite index. So if I show you really quickly, sprite number 1 would be this one there, and you can see it's practically full. It's just missing a couple of squares there. So hopefully you kind of understood that, get where I was coming from with that. Also, you can see I did some of the changes. This one's really derpy and I don't like it, and I'm not going to keep it. But I was just messing around one day and I made this. Anyway, I'm just going to stop talking now because I'm going to keep blabbering on otherwise. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, subscribe, and as always, comment down below as what you'd like to see. If you'd like to see, I don't know, any of these objects here, if you wanted to see how the room works and everything, you know, whatever you want to see, comment it below and I will promise to read them. I'll read every single comment, and I will talk to you later.